Sinlayat yanan sinegang kami menbibin nadang Bagyo Benguet agawa kredit kooperatif Kabay na kaito Kenda kami tribu Anda katinudingan Kenabuka punyan Tasik ay kumamangan Nan mengkasapulan Bagyo Benguet agawa kredit kooperatif Teteu ay kadangyan ka Badang dia gawa Istinbawon unana Pulang imanan suporta Ngemuadanan Nangibiskat Nangawisi
But we are still exploring the treasures of the Trinidad in Benguet. And right now we discovered another beautiful treasure here in Jiwaturo. And we are joined by Miss Daisy Budgaer, together with her son, Carl, napakagwapo, and of course, my co-host, Andre Ko.
Ayan, thank you, Ms. Daisy. Thank you for having us here. So ano po ang hihinihintay niyo para sa amin ngayong araw na ito?
Ito po, mga native delicacies of Cordillera po. Native delicacies of Cordillera. So, why did you call it Jiwaturo?
Actually, it come from the word of my foster mother. Employer ko po siya sa Hong Kong kasi isang iron lady. Yes po. So, marami po ako nakagdaanan sa kanya. So, after all, yun, tinawag niya ako, pumasako ako sa lahat ng pagsulong niya. So, tinawag niya ako, Laura Jewel, tapos ginamit ko naman po yun, na dinagdagan ng Jewel.
Oh, wow.
Ms. Daisy, you were based in Hong Kong before.
Yes po, isang touristic helper po.
Oh, wow. And now you have all of this. So, hiling ka ba, di ba?
Why did you decide to come back and then serve all these dishes?
It's because we grew up, we are living also during our old days. Sa mga food na dami namin nakakain.
Oh, and these are your favorites.
Yes po.
Carl, are you involved in the preparation of this? Are you familiar with all these dishes? Ito ang pamilya sa kanya. Ano ito, Carl? Can you share with us? Fries? Anong klaseng fries? Samote fries?
Parang comfort food kasi yan.
Comfort
So,
food.
sure alam na yan.
And then with homemade dip? Wow, strawberry jam and dip ng kamote. Welcome to the strawberry capital of the world. So, what else? What else can you share with us? What do we have here?
We have here the what?
What? What is what?
What is a kind of menu that only during ceremonies, Thanksgiving, wedding,
So, it is not an everyday dish.
no, it's not.
Paano po prepare yung tokwa?
It's a boil. You boil it in the water for a long period of maybe around 1 hour.
Then it becomes tender.
Yes po. And then, wala po siya tubig sa nilagay mo. Kaya, you need to dip it with the salt and it's chilling.
Alright. Okay, kasi kung minsan the climate there is, they have very cold climate, so
Yes.
there's something to do with usage.
Yes, papahinit na nakawag nyo, diba?
And then, you always use wood broth in these dishes.
Instead of rice bowl, you can also put red rice with dishes.
Anong klaseng comfort?
This is
Kamote puti. O sige, ano
Yeah,
ba?
so ano pa po? What is the laman? I'm curious.
Yes po. This is binomor.
Binomo.
Yes. Binomor is a native dish of Kumbaga doon po sa lowlands is yung pinakwer.
Yes, so version ito ng pinaka.
But the star of the dish is actually the shell.
Yes.
From kanina when I went there, I had the opportunity to try that. Very, very
See the
good.
shells over here. Eh, maganda ng red rice na. So what else na po tayo?
We have also this piniptikan with siktim.
Siktim po, ano po yun?
Siktim is come from the rice wine that yung kinuha na yung tapo na. Yung tapo.
Okay.
Kinuha na yung katas. Yung nag-iwan, mako-ferment yan ulit.
Ah, okay.
It is just inside po.
So the fermentation continues. And that's what they use in
So may yung home rice po.
Ah, I see. And then, normally, Pilipinan, you always have that. You always have that. Thank you. So these are very precious dishes. So normally, they have rituals. It's called Kanyao. So we are very, honored that we are served these kind of ritual dishes right here on Discovery. Thank you so much. And of course, hindi mawawala ang Discovery, no? Yes. What's fascinating is that their fascination with root crops transform into dipping it in the local flavors, which is strawberry jam sauce. Okay.
I don't know where to start. Saan
So,
tayo dapat
where
magsimula?
do we start?
Anong masasuggest mo? Please, saan tayo magsistart?
I'm interested in what one.
Ako rin, yung what yung gusto ko sa sabi mo.
Okay, so you're going to start with what one? So we need to get an eye. Marma, you can serve us. But I want to try the kamote because it's so weird.
Oo nga. Ako na-try ito.
Yes.
I want to try ito.
Gusto ko siyang picture.
Ang ganda pa naman ng tawag. Anong tawag mo dito?
Ito yung ubat ng sabaw. Sabi ko.
Wow, okay. Ganda. Saka, official na set up eh.
During our childhood kasi, ito po kasi yung ginagamit nilang plato. Pag may mga occasion po kami, what with this rice, or kamote. Ilalagay ko dito. Ito po yung nakuhaan namin. So, kamay ko yan.
Wow!
How was it?
It really is their own version of pinakbet. You know, it's a familiar taste for me, but I like the taste of ano yung mga vegetable nila. So, yung texture naman nila, nilalasan ang texture. I like this one.
Sige, pwede mo pa rin.
You know what I like about this? Ang ganda ng ating plating.
Ang ganda ng plating ninyo. But actually, Andre, if you look at it, they are not reinventing it because this one, the use of sasa is already indigenous to them. And that's how they normally prepare everything. And including these hand-woven by the Filipinos.
And I like these plates that they use for the food also. It's super nice. It's fun. No more I get that.
And then I like mountain rice. We're eating precious mountain rice. And this one is treasured rice because you can only harvest this once a year. So we have to respect our farmers who spend so much time, preparing this for all of us. So if you see mountain rice, and then sabi ng mahal na po, huwag na kayong mahal. Dahil they only have the opportunity to prepare it once a year. Very good.
It's super good.
Very good.
It's just my kind.
Zero talaga. Zero talaga. Ano po ba? Carl. Carl will serve us. And we also have here the application. It's already introduced. We have the carbonara, and then of course, chocolate pudding, and best paired with strawberries. And then we still have the kamote. So this is like a blend of boxes.
pinapass niyo ba? Pinapasa niyo ba sa mga yung heritage? Very important. Kasi yung mga kids ngayon, paano yung nagagawa yun? Ano mga natutuloy yung kulay para
sinasabi ko sa kanila, pag nag-prepare kayo mag-pagkain, parang masarap, kailangan na sa mga
hindi kasi na yung heart and soul mo, pupunta sa pagkain mo yun.
Oo naman.
Ayaw mo
Yung parang nag-prepare ng pagkain ng mga diwata ba?
Wow, Mindalo.
Oo, ganun. Saka parang nasa heaven ka na, you're preparing for the gods. Yung magawa mo na natin pinaka-the best.
May term po ba nga? May local term kayo for that? Yung mga prepare the food? Parang diwata na parang nag-prepare ng food for the gods.
Yes, po.
Ano po?
Ano po yung term mo?
May local language po ba kayo for that? So, maganda ang natutunan natin kay Miss Daisy is pag nag-prepare ng food, dapat ikaw ay masaya. Parang baby. It's like you're preparing food for the gods.
Para makakuha mo yung mga lasa mo. Ang mga
Expectations.
expectation ng
God.
mga tao sa
Oh, wow! I'm fascinated today. Thank you, Miss Daisy. Okay.
Tapos dapat ito, lalagyan mo kasi.
Yes po, at saka yung tinitigin mo
Yung sili, kasi wala silang panlasa.
lagay mo yung salt dyan, titikin mo na ganyan. Tapos ilalagyan mo yung
Ididip mo siya. Ididip mo siya sa salt and chili.
titikin mo yung
Sige, try natin.
tapos titikin mo yan. Tapos isasaw-saw mo yung kasi boil lang naman yan eh. Yung
So, wala pa siyang lasa.
Yes po.
But I mean, the meat has a natural essence.
Yes po. Ito po madam. Ito mo.
Ah? Ano ang dito?
Ayan.
Wow!
Isasaw-saw mo.
Ang lakas ng sili! Very small, but coconut. Very spicy.
Wow!
Lahat! Kasing-kasing-ka.
Sarap!
Pero maganda rin yung lasa ng meat.
Maganda kasi yung
siya.
yan talaga yun.
They use a native chicken. This is very deceiving. Small, but so spicy. Extremely spicy. I want to try kamote. Kamoting puti. Yes, kamoting puti. So, pag samasamahin natin ang kainin, dawat-wat, sa pinakuluan, make it for pak na pak. Pak na pak!
Sarap!
Oo.
So, Ms. Daisy, pwede mo ba imbitahan ng ating mga viewers to come here and visit and try to see what
Yes naman.
Tsaka may mga social media pages.
Oh,
Yes, meron po naman. Dito po sa Jewel Igorot, marami po tayong mga native delicacies po dito. Doon mo kayo titingin.
Ulit. Okay, take two. Take 542.
Welcome po sa ating mga guests po, mga visitors po. Dito sa Jewel Igorot Reviero's Legacy, we have different kinds of Cordillera native delicacies po. Pag malasahan po ninyo ito, matikman po ninyo ito, hindi po ninyo ito makakalimutan, pabalik-balik po kayo. And you eat like a queen and feel like a queen. You eat like a queen and feel it para ma-feel nyo yung mga pagkain na ginangganan namin para sa inyong mga diwata po. Thank you po.
Yan. So guys, dito lang yung makahanap sa La Trinidad Benguet. Come visit Jewel Igorot and taste their food right here.
Okay? Kain na.
Sige, kain po.
Kain ka tayo ba?
Wow!